On the train, guys. So I'm on the train now, leaving Kitchener, going back to Toronto. Nice, beautiful day, early morning, guys. It's about, let me see, it's pretty much early, pretty much early. So it's about 8:50, 8:50 a.m. So we should arrive. There's a river down there. Oh, congratulations, I made the like there. There's a river down there. Okay, guys. Morning, guys. You can see the sun. Sun is coming up now. Sun is coming up pretty much early. Sunshine. So on the train, guys. Kitchener to Toronto. And this is the early train, one of the early trains. There are several trains that left already. The sun is so beautiful, guys. Look. Wow. It's amazing, guys. The sunshine. So this is the 8 o'clock train from Kitchener to Toronto, and you have another train that leave 8:30 and continue throughout the day. Sunshine, guys. Amazing. Wow. Wow. So it's early morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your boy here, Kenny. You can find me at Life with Kenny underscore capital G. Sorry about the sunshine, guys. I'm in the train and I'm at the third level. Um, there is two more levels below, and so at the third level, I get to see the sunshine peeking over. It's about 8:25 now, and the sunshine is beautiful. And I'm sitting going eastbound, so I'm going eastern direction and facing the sun. And so Kitchener to Kitchener to Toronto, and I should be arrived around about 9:45. So from Kitchener to Toronto, and the train should be arrived about 9:45 a.m. Guys, so the train line is down, and not the train line, the gate, stopping traffic from that direction, guys. Okay. Okay, so this is our first stop from Kitchener. This is Gulf. This is Gulf Station. Gulf stop. This is our first stop. Picking up passenger and dropping off passenger at the same time. And so the train is not basically completely full, but there are a lot of people. As I said, it's third level. There are people on the lower level and people at the center level and people on the top. And people going to work early morning. So some people start work like 9 o'clock. This train start like about 8 o'clock going to this direction. And there are several other trains that leave from 6 o'clock this morning already, back and forth it. So, you know, yeah, I'm enjoying the ride. The weather today is about like 9 degrees, and it's gonna be sun and cloud, but we're enjoying the weather. Moving very slow for a few minutes. Oh, there's a sea and rail train. Sea and rail train going the opposite direction. Okay, I think we're coming to another stops, I guess. Yabba dabba doo. Coming up. Sea and rail train. And we are in our train here. And we're moving slowly, but we're moving. Okie dokie. Sea and rail train. Canadian Railroad. Mm. Sea and rail carrying lots of stuff. All kind of raw material, industrial stuff, conveying from one point and to another all over the world. So we're moving again from another stop, and so we're heading slowly but surely. Slowly but surely, guys. Long sea and rail train, moving stuff around worldwide. Yeah. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're here for the first time, my name is Kenny. You can find me at Life with Kenny underscore capital G. And look, guys, the sun is blocked by the cloud. There's lots of clouds. So you can see the sun like the reflection, but it's not shining, as how it was before because of the cloud. Sorry, guys. So please remember to give the video a like and leave a comment, and remember to subscribe to my channel. That's the way you support me, guys. And remember to share and to like the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. And so, guys, thank you for riding with me on the train, the go train. So at the train station, guy, this is where you can park your car and take the train. You can park your car right down there and take the train, and you can leave your car there for free. You don't have to pay anything, and you can leave your car overnight. Say, for example, if you take the train today and you go somewhere and to come back tomorrow or another day, you can leave your car there. It don't cost you anything. Park your car, hop on the train, go about your business, and come back. Nice, guys. Welcome to Canada, guys. So, guys, there are many. It's CN Rail. That's a train company, Canadian company. There are many different train companies in Canada. You have Via Rail different from CN. And you have like the Toronto subway, which is the city train. And this one that I am now, this is the another, train company called the Go Transit. So they travel all over, guys. So we have train like crazy, and we have many more train guys. They go from Canada to the U.S. They go all over Canada, Montreal, Winnipeg, all over Ottawa, Ontario, the capital, guys. All over Niagara Falls, Canada. Look at the land, guys. They reap maize, that's corn. So they plant lots of maize here. Canada produce a lot of corn. All over there, looking it's corn. So these are dry. So what they're gonna do now? They're gonna reap it, and what they do, those ones are what they take and feed cows. Put it in the barn and they feed cows throughout the winter and stuff like that. So that's what they do. And the ones that they reap already to sell in the supermarket and stuff like that, those already reaping long time and in the supermarket already. So there's lots and lots of farmlands here in Canada. Not to mention all in Bradford, Ontario, where lots of farm workers come from Jamaica, they come from Trinidad. CEO guys, they reap it and they, you know, everything completely reaped. The land is clear. So they have, thousands and thousands of farmlands around, you know. Yeah, they produce a lot of corn, import, export. They export a lot of corn in the States and different countries and so on. So that's nice houses down there, guys. Beautiful. This is what some of the house look like, guys. Yeah, they're building a new bridge here, overpass, bridge under construction. And they're building a new housing stuff, so they have to like make a overpass so they have access. So this is what it look like, guys. Construction, building new houses, brand new houses. Some of those houses is like 700,000, 500,000. You know, yep, 700,000, 500,000, 800,000. You know, right? These ones are finished here. Some nice houses right here, and beautiful. And over the other side, let me show you over the other side. You can look see over the other side. So it's on both sides, guys. That's a nice houses, and this is we are approaching in the Georgetown. Look, guys, houses all over, and cars, mall, apartment building, guys. So we're arriving at what you call Georgetown. See, guys, that's Georgetown Station. See the station down the bottom here. People stay and wait for the train. And you go on the ground like and cross over to the other side. So this is Georgetown Station. We're arriving at Georgetown. Here's a Georgetown transit, the Georgetown buses. Georgetown buses. So those buses can pick you up throughout all these residential area and take you to this subway, to this train station here. See, guys, Georgetown. Okay, and see even Mississauga Road bus. See, Mississauga. So the bus come from Mississauga Road, come to Georgetown, train station. Look at the high rise, guys. Beautiful high rise. High rise like that, you end up paying all maybe all 2,000, 3,000, 3,500 a month. depends on how many bedroom you rent in an apartment like that, because it's right in the center of the city section here, guys. Okay, and so you see all the city buses, the highways over there, and yeah. So this is a Georgetown Go Transit Station. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting your guy Kenny underscore capital G. You find me, guys. So you see all the different buses that come here. The one in the red and the one in the blue. It's like a Brampton bus, and the one way over there is the it's for the same train company here, which is the Go Transit bus. So this is a Go Transit train, and that's a Go Transit bus. And then the red bus there, it's like Mississauga Zoom. So Zoom, you see Zoom on it. Look at the side, guy. You see ZUM. This is the green and white, which is the Go Transit bus. So public transit, public transit in Canada here, it's wild, guys. They don't mess around, guys. You car park and you leave your car, jump on the train, leave your car, jump on the bus, and you get to your destination, guys. So everything just move fast, fast, bam, bam, bam. Pretty structured out, guys. So that's how it work here, and that's the highway up there. Part of the highway. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Brampton Elevation. What are you doing here? Oh, demolition. Demolition. Demolition a house, a whole house. Oh, that's Black My View there. Okay, another stop, guys. Another station. Another station. Another stop, guys. Car park station. Mm, Brampton Innovation. See the name of the stop, guys? Brampton Innovation. Okay. Okay. Moving again, guys. FedEx guy. FedEx building. Courier. FedEx Courier company. Factory over there. So the smoke factory. I don't know what kind of factory is it. It's a tractor trailer. Oh, garbage place. Yeah, it's a garbage place and all different kind of industrial place over there. Equipment and whatever. And this one is like a garbage, you know, dump, all kind of stuff like that. Industrial area. Okay, okay. Here's the highway. That's a highway over there. Yes, guys. The sun is hiding behind the cloud. So tractor, nice tractor, guys. Tractor, heavy duty, heavy equipment machines. They're doing tractor, guys. They're working their construction, building some kind of warehouse building over there. Construction worker building big places. It could be a little mall, shopping center. Must be some kind of shopping center they're building over there. 'Cause it's a very busy place, guys. See, something look like some warehouse or whatever, supermarket and all kind of stores and whatever. See, guys, lot of trailer backed up there. So lots of industrial place, lots of jobs. People get jobs, work in these places. Lots of train line going down, guys. So you see, pretty productive. Welcome to Canada, guys. Thank you for riding with me. And the train and the Go Train. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys. Tractor Trailer Yard. So that's a trucking company. And there's a highway over there, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, guys, we're in Brampton now. We're arriving at Bramley Stops. So from Kitchener, see these little train thing, guys. They're the one that clean the tracks and make sure that nothing on the track that dangerous. Here's a train right here in front of me, guys. See, guys, there's a train right here. It's going the opposite direction, so it's going back to where we're coming from. Kitchener, Ontario. See, guys, we just slowly passing. So it's going, guys. Come on, get out of my way so I can see. See, guys, same color, green and white. So we are going east and they're going west. Okay. Alright, so people getting off and people coming on. Okay, so we gotta move again. About to move again. Guys, this we are Rogers Center. It's where the Blue Jays play ball game. Rogers Center, the Dome, Toronto Dome. We're going underneath the tunnel now. Toronto. This is Toronto, guys. Downtown Toronto. Coming from the subway station. That's the GO train. That's the one I'm riding on right now. Coming from the main station, Union Station, Toronto, Canada. So those are the GO train. That's the high-rise building, the downtown Toronto area. The sign guy, in case of emergency, pull down to remove window. can jump out in case of emergency. You guys, apartment buildings, apartment buildings, Toronto City, huge high rise. These are some of them, guys. So this is what some of the buildings look like down in Toronto here. Apartment high-rise buildings. Here, even more huge one in the heart of the city. You live down here, guys. Very expensive. In one of those buildings, up to all 3,000 a month for rent or lease. Yeah, very expensive. Monday, sun and cloud today. 9 degrees. Not too cold because the sun and the wind is calm. Right? That's the CN Tower building over there. See the CN Tower there, that tall building right there. Structure there, the CN Tower. Stop at Bloor. So it's at Bloor. It's Bloor Station. So it's stop, picked up and dropped off at Bloor here. Okay. Tobico North stop. Tobico North. Door is closed. Move again. Canadian flag over there. The racetrack, Woodbine racetrack over there. That's where they have the horse race. And those are the horse stables. And that's the tower over there where they stay and watch the horse run. So this is the racetrack, Woodbine Racetrack, Toronto. Right. So I'm arriving at my stops now. So guys, remember to subscribe, share, and like the video. And thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you, Lord. But thank you for supporting me, guys. I really appreciate it. See you in the next one, guys. Bye. Exit. Oh, fresh air. My daughter was supposed to pick me up, but guess what? She have an appointment, and so she's unable to pick me up. So I have to, yeah. So I'm leaving the train station. Also, this is the big train. See, that's the one I just get off. See it? It's going down, and this is the train parking lot. You can leave your car here up on the train and go wherever you want, guys. So Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. Remember to share, like, and to subscribe, guys. And I really appreciate it, you know, because what happened, I was gonna drive my car and leave it at the station here, but she said she will drop me at the station and she will pick me up back. But then the time, um, things changed because she had an appointment and she didn't know that I was coming back so early. And so, see the trend, here's another one coming back, going back opposite direction. Anyway, guys, have a good one. And I hope you like the video. Share, like, subscribe. Support me, guys. Subscribe to my channel and give the video a like. Thanks for always coming back. It's a sunny day, and I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye.